Hey there, science fans! Today we're taking a trip through the amazing food factory inside you, your very own digestive system. It's a wild ride from start to finish, so buckle up. Imagine this. You bite into a delicious slice of pizza. What happens next? The journey begins in your mouth, where your teeth get to work breaking down the food into smaller pieces. Chewing is super important because it makes the food easier to digest. But that's not all. Your mouth also releases saliva, a watery liquid that mixes with the food. Saliva contains special chemicals called enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates, like the starches in the pizza crust. Pretty cool, right? This mushy mixture of chewed food and saliva is called a bolus. Now, our bolus friend is ready for the next stage of the adventure. Once you swallow, the bolus begins a wild ride down a muscular tube called the esophagus. Think of it like a water slide for food. Muscles in the esophagus contract and relax, pushing the bolus down towards your stomach. This process is called peristalsis. Next stop, the stomach. This stretchy, muscular sac is like a giant food processor. Inside the stomach, the bolus gets tossed and turned, mixing with powerful acids and enzymes. These digestive juices break down proteins like the pepperoni on your pizza into smaller molecules. Can you say science power? After a few hours of churning and digesting, the bolus is transformed into a thick liquid called chyme. It's almost time for the nutrients to be absorbed, but first the chyme needs to continue its journey. From the stomach, the chyme enters the small intestine, a long, winding tube where most of the nutrients from your food are absorbed. Don't let the name fool you, though. The small intestine is actually the longest part of the digestive system, about 20 feet long. The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area of the small intestine, allowing it to absorb more nutrients. It's like having thousands of tiny straws sucking up all the good stuff from your food. As the chyme travels through the small intestine, enzymes from the pancreas and liver break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into even smaller molecules. These molecules are then absorbed into the bloodstream through the villi and transported to the rest of your body to provide energy and support growth and repair. Now, what about the parts of the food that can't be digested? That's where the large intestine, also known as the colon, comes in. The large intestine is shorter than the small intestine, but much wider. It's like the last stop on our digestive journey. By the time the chyme reaches the large intestine, most of the nutrients have been absorbed. The large intestine's main job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining material, forming what we know as feces or poop. Finally, the feces are stored in the rectum until it's time to be expelled from the body through the anus. And there you have it, the incredible journey of food through your digestive system. So, next time you grab a bite to eat, remember the amazing science happening inside you. Breaking down food into tiny particles your body can use, it's a process that makes life possible, and it's pretty darn cool.